in this video I'm going to share two of my top favorite breakfast recipes, and these are ridiculously easy and super high in nutrition. It's very high in protein and low in calories, so it'll be your best friend if you're trying to lose weight and also if you're trying to build muscles. So I have two recipes for the video. One is an egg-based recipe and one is a completely plant-based recipe for all my vegan friends. So let's go to the kitchen and cook some breakfast. So I'm currently obsessed with this egg sandwich that I make, which will take you about 15 minutes to make. It's very easy and it's loaded with protein. It's very low in calories, so perfect if you're trying to lose weight. It's not going to take you a lot of ingredients. I'm sure most of the ingredients you already have in your fridge, so you will only need some bread slices, bell pepper, it's optional, feta cheese, cucumber, some tomatoes and egg whites. I have 5 egg whites here. You can choose and pick how much you want. So what I'm going to do is I have the egg whites here. I'm going to crumble my feta cheese into my egg whites and add my bell pepper as well, and some salt and pepper for taste. Mix it nicely. So next up I have my steamer here. I'm just going to put my eggs right here on the steam plate. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. It's going to be nice and fluffy and so spongy and yummy. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and my steamed egg is ready. So I'm going to assemble my sandwich. First of all, I'm gonna just incorporate a little bit more vegetables. So I'm gonna chop some cucumbers and tomatoes. Make sure you wash them. If you want to skip them, completely fine. I just do it because I like to eat more vegetables. So that's it. Let's assemble the sandwich. So I have toasted my bread and I have made a little spread. So this is Greek yogurt and mixed with hot sauce. You can use whatever you like. If you want some hummus, go on slather some hummus, whatever you're comfortable with, cheese, whatever you want. If it fits your macros, I'm okay with it. So I'm just going to slather the spread. Run a knife to loosen the egg and then just cut through the cloudy egg loaf. Layer your sandwich with your favorite vegetables and the star of the show, that is the steamed egg whites. I like to make it super girthy and thick like this. You can do however you want to. You can also make it an open faced sandwich. Ta-da! I cannot wait to dig in. Go ahead and team it with your favorite beverage. My top pick is always a coffee. And mind you, it's a very huge sandwich, so you are going to have to open your mouth really big. You know, you might also get really clumsy. I'm anyway very clumsy. So let's go. Okay, so on to the next recipe. If you're a vegetarian or a vegan, or if you simply do not eat eggs, then this recipe is for you. This is my vegan chocolate parfait and it's going to be so easy and so delicious, packed with nutrition and a lot of protein. It's also very low in calories. So traditional parfait is made with a lot of cream and sugar, and the healthy version of parfait uses a lot of granola, which I'm not gonna shame. I personally love granola. I also sometimes make it, but I have to flag it that it's very high in calories. So if you're trying to lose weight, going very heavy on granola is something I would not suggest. So in this parfait recipe, I'm gonna use quick oats, which is going to be much lower in calories and it is going to give you the same level of satisfaction. So all you're gonna need for this recipe is 50 ml of coconut milk, 3 sachets of sugar-free, 100 grams of tofu, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a little bit of vanilla essence, and 40 grams of quick oats. So first you're gonna need to soften the oats. I'm just going to add 1 packet of stevia into this. Put some boiling water. Now this is quick oats, so this will be ready in 5 minutes. As the oats softens, we are going to prepare our cream, that is the chocolate there, and we're gonna basically blend all of these ingredients. We're gonna blend the coconut milk, tofu, cocoa powder, vanilla and the sweetener together and blend it till it gets to a texture like this, very creamy, dreamy, gorgeous looking deliciousness. So the next step is my favorite and the most satisfying part of this recipe, that is the layering part. So I go very heavily with the tofu cream mix. So a big layer of tofu cream and then a layer of oats, big layer of tofu cream and a thin layer of oats. Let it chill for a few hours or overnight, and in the morning just go grab it and have yourself a very yummy treat. Dig in as is or top it as you like. I love to top mine with some stewed blueberries, sunflower seeds for a nice crunch, also dust some desiccated coconut for some healthy fats, and last but not the least, some dark chocolate bark. That's it. Spoon in through the layers and just go to La La Land with this yummy little treat in the morning or in the evening, whatever you like. Okay, there you have it. The two of my favorite breakfast recipes. Doesn't take much time, and like I said, it will be your best friend if you're trying to lose weight and build muscles. So give it a try and let me know whether you like it or not, and also let me know in the comments if you like this recipe videos. I just experimented with this video. Share your feedback. I am always eyes for that. So with that, I'll close this video and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.